Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village, there lived a farmer who owned a donkey. This donkey had once been a hard-working companion, but with age, he had become weak and was no longer useful on the farm. Understanding this, the farmer allowed him to spend his days roaming freely, grazing in the open fields. One bright and sunny afternoon, while the donkey was nibbling on grass, he accidentally stumbled and fell into a deep, narrow well. Trapped and unable to climb out, he panicked and began braying loudly for help. Nearly an hour later, a villager passing by, who happened to the farmer's neighbor, heard the donkey's desperate cries. Curious and concerned, he followed the sound and was shocked to find the helpless animal at the bottom of the well. Without wasting time, the neighbor rushed back to the village to inform the farmer. Upon hearing the news, the farmer quickly gathered his neighbors and asked for their help in rescuing the donkey. They all hurried to the well, only to find the poor animal looking frightened, his eyes filled with tears. Despite their best efforts, every attempt to lift him out failed. As the day wore on, the farmer, overcome with both sorrow and work ability, made a heartbreaking decision. He realized that the donkey was too old and that saving him might not be possible. With a heavy heart, he instructed his neighbors to fill the well with dirt, deciding it was best to lay the donkey to rest. Reluctantly, the neighbors picked up their shovels and began tossing dirt into the well. As soil drained down on him, the donkey grew even more distressed. Realizing what was happening, he cried out in pain. But then something remarkable happened. A spark of determination ignited within him. With every shoal of dirt that landed on his back, the donkey did something unexpected. He shook it off and stepped up onto it, slowly but steadily. He repeated his process, shaking off the dirt and using it to climb higher. After some time, the donkey's cries suddenly stopped, leaving the onlookers puzzled. Curious, the farmer peered into the well, and to his astonishment, he saw the donkey standing atop the accumulated dirt. Then, with one final push, the donkey leaped out of the well and dragged away, free once again. As the donkey wandered into the open fields, he came to a profound realization. He had survived despite his master's abandonment. With a newfound sense of independence and resilience, he never looked back, embracing his second chance at life. Moral of the story: this tale teaches us that challenges can either trap us or help us grow. It all depends on how we respond. The donkey, rather than surrendering to despair, turned his hardship into an opportunity to rise above his circumstances. Another important lesson is about perseverance. Instead of waiting for someone to save him, the donkey took matters into his own hands and found a way out. This reminds us that in difficult times we must rely on ourselves and keep pushing forward, even when all seems lost. Additionally, the story highlights self worth. The farmer dismissed the donkey as old and useless, but the donkey proved his strength and resilience. This teaches us that our value is not defined by others' opinions. We must believe in ourselves and never give up. Ultimately, the story encourages us to stay positive and determined in the face of obstacles. Even when people doubt us or challenges seem insurmountable, we can always find a way to overcome them by turning difficulties into stepping stones for success.